Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's the home of the 5-minute or less video. I want to go ahead and just let you know a little about me. I worked for IRS for 10 years. I've been outside and doing tax defense for 40. I'm a national expert in IRS resolution matters. I have about 4,000 people, professionals, follow me on Facebook. And I do these videos for 3 reasons: to educate you, to inform you, and to make sure, more importantly, that you don't get ripped off. I'm on television a lot. You may have seen me there. That's why you're calling me. You can see my videos and everything, and my IRS team that I have, that I work with at 777irs.com. So anyway, my video is what's gonna happen if you owe money and you file your tax return. Well, first of all, don't worry. Don't be an alarmist. It's gonna be okay. You're not going to jail. You're not gonna go to prison. Relax, okay? I have handled 10,000 cases, and this really isn't a big deal that you're walking into. You owe tax, so what? Let me tell you the programs. So when IRS sends out these letters, the CP11, the 501, 503, 504, 1058, they step up every letter. At some point in time, you want to know, what is your exit strategy? What is an exit strategy? How do you want to go ahead and get rid of the debt? The first thing that's important is for you this year, don't roll up the debt. Don't let it keep rolling. You want to stop the problem. IRS would rather you keep current than pay your back tax. They want you to make sure your withholding and estimate payment is up to date. When I've knocked on the door as a former agent, first 2 questions are, all your returns filed, and are you current? Are you up to date in the year that we're in? Make sure that's going to happen. There's 3 programs that you're going to fall into with IRS. And that is, IRS will take your financial statement and they'll either put you into currently non-collectible. They also have a part pay agreement program, and they also have an offer and compromise program, which you can settle your IRS tax debt through that. So you have to make a determination whether you want to do this yourself or whether you want someone like us to represent you. So it's very clean and simple. If it's a large tax debt, you really should have someone represent you. If it's a smaller tax debt, there's nothing wrong with you representing yourself. You just have to make sure that you understand the 3 programs that IRS has. So IRS generally will want you to fill out a 433F financial statement, and with that they will put you in one of the 2 programs. The reason I say 2, the offer and compromise, is a separate program and requires separate forms. So if you want to pay the debt off, you can do an online payment. Just go into IRS online payments and start making your payment online. If it's a little more complicated and you can't pay a structured debt and you need to pay IRS differently, you're going to have to give them a financial statement, and they're going to go into detail with it. They're going to want your bank statements and your pay stubs, and they're going to verify really all your expenses that you have. But whatever you do, don't be an alarmist. You can do this yourself or get representation. I tell all people, if your debt's under $25,000, just call yourself and do this. If your debt's higher and you got some problems and complications, at that point you get someone like us or a representative involved. But don't be an alarmist. They do have programs and it will work out for you. It's more important that you get current and no owe more debt. Don't owe any more debt. Just make sure that the debt doesn't get any bigger. So don't worry about it, and call IRS. Like I said, these letters will ramp up. When you get the 1058 letter, if you don't answer them, they are going to go, and this will be about 5 months into the process, they will go ahead and send out a bank levy or wage garnishment. So make sure by then you call IRS and get this matter. Thank you. If this information was good and is helpful, would you give me a subscription? I really appreciate it. Leave me a comment. You want me to do a YouTube on something? Let me know. Thank you very much.